The next step in the design process is to ideate. And what this means is that we're going to put down all those different ideas that we had on paper. The first thing I did was actually look at people themselves. And what you're looking at here are the dimensions that I took actually off of my own body. Now, I'm an American male and approximately 5'11". And so I sat in a chair and had help getting all the different measurements sitting in approximately the position that you see. Now, these measurements are for my own body, and of course a vehicle will have to be designed so that you could accommodate both larger and smaller people. But this gives you a really good starting point. There's also a lot of information out there about human dimensions, human factors, ergonomics. If you search some of those terms, you'll get lots of stuff that has much more in-depth information than this. I just personally wanted to actually see what my dimensions looked like in comparison to what I found. And then, since this is a car that I'm designing, I wanted to build it right around myself. After that, I went on to actually looking at sketching out several different vehicle designs. Of course, I was trying to accommodate this for two people as our constraints laid out. And so I started thinking about different ways that I could do this. Most traditionally, kind of a convertible type car where you sit, next to the passenger was, of course, what we mostly are used to. But as I was thinking about it, I decided that if I'm going to be transporting two people, I might as well put them behind each other, and I could actually take out a lot of the width of the vehicle, which would save on both weight and aerodynamics. In my research, I also found that 77% of Americans drive alone. And then of the 10.7% that carpool, only 3/4 of them actually carpool with more than one person. So basically, by having a design like this, we're going to accommodate a vast majority of people that would use this car as a commuter.